Vimeo, the world's largest innovative video experience platform, enables its 300 million users to make, manage, and share high-quality video experiences. Storytellers from over 190 countries use Vimeo to upload 350,000 daily clips. A longtime Zendesk customer, the Vimeo CX team found itself in a situation not unlike many companies. The team had inherited a mature Zendesk implementation that was highly customized, had little documentation, and required a great deal of troubleshooting. To better meet the needs of the fast-growing company, Vimeo decided to build a brand new Zendesk instance. After considering several consulting firms, the Vimeo team selected Zendesk Professional Services for the project. Goals for the new Zendesk instance were to improve agent efficiency, eliminate manual work, streamline workflows, make the system easier to maintain, capture valuable CX data, and it didn't stop there. Vimeo also enlisted the services of a Zendesk Assist managed service consultant to provide additional support in areas where the team lacked resources and headcount. The results? Happier agents and happier customers. Take it from them. We saw a boost in confidence across the team, agents, managers in the stability of the system and the fact that there aren't as many cracks for things to slip through. The average CSAT score now stands around 90%, a 5 to 6% point increase. SLAs are up and agent sentiment is sky high, thanks to the new customized dashboards and streamlined views. What's next for the Vimeo team? Building on a positive momentum delivered by the successful optimization project. One thing is certain, the Vimeo team is well positioned for continued CX success.